Hello, dear traders, and welcome to the new year. My name is Angie. I am a financial analyst with Olymp, and during this video, I'm going to tell you about some very interesting books on trading. So this is the perfect time to go ahead and add these books to your to-do list if you haven't read them already. And don't forget to leave your comments below this video. Do you agree with my selection? Would you like to suggest another trading book from your experience? You see, sharing is caring, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. The selection of books I'll be sharing with you will cover different areas of trading. Sounds exciting, right? Let's get started. So, the first book that I would like to discuss with you is called The Secrets of Economic Indicators by Bernard Baumohl. Mr. Baumohl is an analyst, an international speaker, and the chief global economist at the Economic Outlook Group. He frequently makes keynote presentations before conferences, workshops, and legislatures on the latest economic and geopolitical outlooks. Mr. Baumohl is also on the faculty of the New York Institute of Finance and a member of the monthly Wall Street Journal Economic Forecast Panel. In 2019, the Wall Street Journal ranked Mr. Baumohl as the most accurate economic forecaster. And there are actually many more achievements and accomplishments in the life of this fabulous writer. His book, The Secrets of Economic Indicators, has several editions, and it was first published in 2005. If you've ever wanted to master the economic calendar and want to understand fundamental analysis, then this is definitely the book for you. This book covers all economic releases and explains in depth what each of them mean. It provides the website sources of the releases, the frequency and the time of the releases, explains why each release is important and how it's computed, and also how each release affects different markets. It covers all U.S. economic indicators, talks about major economic indicators from different regions, and also provides the best list of websites for international economic indicators. For me personally, this is like the fundamental analysis encyclopedia, and I believe that one of the biggest talents of Mr. Baumohl is explaining hard things in a simple way that is interesting to read. And this is important because you want to read and devour the knowledge, not go to sleep, right? Alrighty, let's continue with our next book. Since we covered the topic of fundamental analysis, let's talk about technical analysis. The price chart, entry points, exit points, trading systems, patterns, indicators, and strategies. Oh, I just love technical analysis. The first book that I would like to mention is called Getting Started in Technical Analysis by Jack Schwager. Mr. Schwager is a recognized industry expert in futures and hedge funds. He's one of the founders of FundSeeder. The website is fundseeder.com. And this is actually a platform designed to find undiscovered trading talents worldwide and connect unknown successful traders with sources of investment capital. Sounds very interesting. This book is a great starting point for beginner traders because it covers major topics in technical analysis. And not only does it cover chart patterns and technical indicators, the book takes a look at how to choose entry and exit points. It also teaches you how to develop a trading strategy, trading system, and how to develop a plan for successful trading. Now, the next book that I would like to talk to you about, and I don't know which chart type you prefer to trade with, but I personally like to use the Japanese candlesticks. The concept of candlestick charting was developed by Munehisa Homa, a Japanese rice trader, and when the Japanese stock market began in the 1870s, local technical analysts incorporated Homa's candlestick methodology into the trading process. Steve Nison is an American expert on Western technical analysis with over 30 years of real world experience, who introduced the Japanese candlesticks to the Western world in 1991 with the release of his book called Japanese Candlesticks Charting Techniques, a contemporary guide to the ancient investment techniques of the Far East. The book offers a thorough explanation on the subject of candlestick charting, including explanations of virtually all candlestick patterns that are used by traders today. So, technical analysis, definitely check out these two books. So, my friends, what else is important in trading? Psychology. On this topic, I would like to share two books with you. The first one is called The Disciplined Trader, Developing Winning Attitudes by Mark Douglas. This book was published in 1990, and it is considered an industry classic and one of the first books to introduce the investment industry to the concept of trading psychology. Mr. Douglas explains the causes as to why most traders cannot raise and keep their equity on a consistent basis, and brings the reader to step by step practical and unique conclusions as to how to go about changing any limiting mindset. The second book on psychology is also one of my favorites. It's actually called Reminiscences of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefèvre. This book was first published in 1923. It's about the life of Jesse Livermore, who was one of the 19th century's most famous traders. I really love how this book teaches you life lessons that will not only come in handy when you are trading, but also when you are living your everyday life. This book is full of wisdom, trading psychology, and trading philosophy. It's easy to read and it's full of motivation, so highly recommend it. You'll also find the book filled with interesting wisdom quotes, such as, "There is nothing like losing all you have in the world for teaching you what not to do. And when you know what not to do in order not to lose money, you begin to learn what to do in order to win." Love it, my friends. And this brings me to the last book on my agenda for today. It is called The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is especially interesting because Warren Buffett himself has stated that this is one of the best books on investing, on the subject of investing, and one of the primary sources of his own education in trading stocks. I think this review states for itself. The book focuses more on investing in stocks as well as discipline and controlling our emotions. So definitely add it to your reading list as well. My friends, thank you so much for watching. Reading, learning, and expanding your knowledge is one of the best things that you can do to invest in yourself. Don't forget to share your thoughts and comments below this video. And of course, make sure that you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on our notifications. I'll see you next time.